So, you want to buy crypto? You're in the right place. My name is James, and welcome to Crypto Better. Let's dive into this 2-minute tutorial and show you how to buy cryptocurrency. Step 1. Do your research. Before making any investment, research is key. Whether you have a specific cryptocurrency in mind or are still deciding, it's crucial to gather information. Sometimes a coin might seem promising, but isn't a wise investment upon closer inspection. CoinMarketCap.com is a great resource for detailed information on all cryptocurrencies beyond just their prices. Step 2. Get a wallet. Once you've done your research, you'll need a wallet to store your cryptocurrencies. Wallets are software programs on your computer or phone, and many can store multiple types of coins. Ensure the wallet you choose supports the cryptocurrency you're buying. For added security, consider using a hardware wallet to keep your coins offline and safe from hackers. Remember to locate your cryptocurrency address for receiving payments. Step 3. Buy your coins. With your wallet ready, it's time to purchase your coins on an online exchange. Not all exchanges offer every cryptocurrency, but CoinMarketCap.com lists where you can buy each coin. If you're planning to buy multiple cryptocurrencies, choose an exchange that supports all your desired coins to save time during the sign-up process. A quick tip: only invest what you can afford to lose. Cryptocurrencies are volatile and risky, even the well-established ones. If you're overwhelmed by the options, check out our vetted list of wallets and exchanges in the description.